English conversation at the supermarket. Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? I am looking for oats. Where can I find them? It's on the aisle fourth. Thanks. Have a great day. You too. I found it. Honey, where have you been? I have been looking for you. I was helping someone. Have you found everything? Yeah. Did you take eggs and 2 cartons of milk? I got them. Let's go to the counter. Yeah, sure. Next, please. Here are my things. Your total is $25.56. How would you like to pay? I will pay by my debit card. Please enter your PIN code here. Here you go. Here your stuff, and this is your card. Where is the receipt? Oh, here it is. I am sorry. Thanks. Next, please. Your total is $56. Hang on. I think this carton of milk has expired. Let me see, sir. I am so sorry for inconvenient. You should take this off. We will. Now your total is $51. How would you like to pay? I will pay by cash. Here you are. Thank you, sir. Come back again. Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? I bought these potatoes 2 hours ago. These are smelly. I want my cash back. Okay, do you have a receipt? Receipt? Yes, if you don't have, so I will not be able to give your money. Wait, I found it. Here you go. Fine, here's your money. Thanks. Vocabulary: cart or trolley, cashier, counter, receipt, barcode scanner, cash, credit card.